Here we go. Work Commute Channel, part 1 million. Really, this is, I think, the 4th. Because my new phone has pop-up ads that keep coming on. They've been coming on when I was watching video. Since 2 seconds. Okay, I sure hope my car doesn't get stuck. This is really bad. Come on, get in. Okay, we're going. Let's go. This, I have to believe, is what people tune in to see. But I'm telling you, and I've grown up with this. I've never seen these Midland roads like this. And they are conscientious. This is a town that cares about its people. So you know, these guys have their frickin' hands full. This is East Lawn Avenue. And there comes a hatchback Ford Focus, moving like a snail, digging his way out of the strip mall driveway. There's no way that they can open schools tomorrow. It just... Okay, so I'm watching that. This bad's gonna probably pop up. I'm watching that. I'm also watching the guys on